Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you a basic tutorial way how to use Photoshop for a beginner to edit your photo. So the thing that you need to do is just install the Photoshop on your phone, and after you do that, just go click it to open it. So here is the view or the interface of the Photoshop on your mobile phone. To edit your picture, you just need to go click this photo editor. But then if you want to do another editing such as combining two photos, you can also do this. But since this video will only talk about the basic tutorial, so you just need to go click this photo editor. And whenever you click the photo editor, the Photoshop will bring you into your photo collection on your phone, and you just need to choose which photo that you want to edit. Okay, for example, let's do it this. And then as a basic things, you can like exploring every features of the Photoshop down here. You just need to slide the features into the left side and just finding the needs that you want to do. So for example, if you want to add a text on this picture, so you just need to go click this text part and start typing the text that you want to input. For example, you want to add your account, for example, like at Tom Hanks. And after that, you just need to go click done. And you can adjusting the style of the text here by go click the style, and you can also get the templates that provided by the Photoshop. You can also do by your own by choosing the font, do the color picking here. And after that, you can also adjusting the size by drag each point and drop it into the specific part that you want. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click into the random part and continue for the next editing. Okay, so as a basic editing you need to adjusting your picture, right? To adjusting it, you just need to go click into the adjustment, and you can just choose every part that you can adjust regarding to your picture. So for first you can go with the contrast. To make a contrast, you can drag this point into the right side to get your picture got like more contrast. And you can do for other thing here, you just need to like adjusting everything. And whenever you're done and you want to save this result, you just need to go click this button, and your photo will be automatically saved into your photo library. So that's the way how to do a basic editing on a mobile Photoshop. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.